Hey everyone, check out the Bekith Ceramic Casserole Dish with lid, perfect for all your baking needs. This 2.6 quart round dish measures 12 by 9.2 by 4 inches, ideal for lasagna, casseroles, roasts, and more. Made from lead-free, pro-grade ceramic, it features a smooth glaze that prevents food from sticking. It is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and also works in microwaves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. The double-handled design makes it easy to carry from oven to table safely. Its elegant blue finish adds style to any dining setting, perfect for parties and special occasions. Plus, it's a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays that any home chef will love. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.